6 individuals are going to receive an award today because they were nominated by the public, by their students, and by their staff. They send in those nominations, and then we gather them, and then at the very end of the school year, before the teachers leave, we actually emailed those nominations out to them so that they have each and every one.
It's kind of surreal just because it's just something that I do, and I would do anything for my kiddos. Just incredibly awesome. I think about the foundation, I think about the staff that I work with. They're above and beyond at Stolley Park.
I remember reading the nominations this year, specifically from some of my students that I had the previous year, and I just want to say thank you to all those kids. They're the reason I teach. They're my passion. They're everything. A lot of people say middle school is like, oh, good luck, and how do you do it? But it's my favorite because that's where you're creating relationships and you're creating characters that will be here in the community for as long as you know.
I absolutely love my job. I love giving a voice to those who don't have a voice, whether it's using a communication device or helping some kids another way. We all deserve that. To me, that's a basic right everybody should have. And so when I have the opportunity to help somebody for that, it means the world. This is my 32nd year. I would not still be in education if I didn't feel supported. So support is everything from my building level team to my speech path group to senior high to the foundation to administration. Everybody.
FNBO is a way that we honor the teachers and the professionals that are in the system all days of the year, but yet they do such special things for the students, and it's a way for us to recognize those special things they do for the students that they unassumingly don't get acknowledged for on a daily basis.
For me, this is a big accomplishment. I'm always proud every year of the people that win, and just seeing their families go up, it makes me emotional every year. I'm very fortunate to work for GIPS and for this long, and they've always been good to me, and the years have just flown by. I love the students, the families, the staff, just everything about it.
Everybody needs to hear that you matter. And our teachers don't necessarily hear that each and every day. Our staff doesn't hear it, the custodians, the nutritional services, the buildings and grounds, because they're behind the scene. So to hear that you matter, to hear that this made a difference, you see how we are changing lives. We are making an impact on every student that crosses the doorway.
To be honest with you, I'm just blown away. I just feel honored and just privileged to be nominated. It's never about winning. It's just, I just love reading them because I love what the students say. Because, you know, they're like my own kids, and so I just love reading them.
My work isn't done in isolation, it's done with my whole entire team. Our staff is like family, which is a really sacred thing for me to call somebody family, but they are really special and our kids are extraordinary. It's everybody that does the work alongside us every day.